Hi everyone, we are back here, and I guess today I'm going to teach you another type of a spread. I generally call this a quick cut spread. Quick cut because I lay out only 4 cards. I generally use it when my clients are in a little bit of hurry and they want a quick advice. Any of the deck can be used for this, but today I'm going to use the mermaids and dolphin card since I have been to a seashore today and I'm feeling very close to their energy. My client is in the middle of a situation where she wants to begin a small movement on her healing web page, a web page that she has made very recently, and she now wants to know whether she should go ahead and do this movement and what are the action steps that will help her, whether it's correct on her part to do it or not to do it. So we have a little bit of indecision here. So we're going to shuffle the cards. We're going to lay out 4 cards. In that, the first 2 cards will tell us exactly what the client needs to know and what action steps the client needs to take. So first, let us involve our angels, Lord Ganesha, Archangel Michael, my guardian angels of my client, the sea folks, the dolphins, the mermaids, and all the other magical creatures that reside in the ocean whom I have spoken to today. Please lend your energy to this reading, guide us correctly, and we are in a little bit of a hurry, so please be very clear with your advice. In love, in light, we open these cards, and here we go. These cards basically operate under the law of attraction, so I trust that whatever cards that I open will be the correct one. So here we go. This is what my client needs to know, and these 2, what my client needs to do, what action steps will help her in whatever it is that she wants to achieve. And since we have no jump out cards, I think the sea fox have clearly communicated what we need to do. Alright, so here we have 2 cards and they are extremely positive. What they are telling the client is that you are being helped, as in whatever ideas that she has been getting, whatever she needs to do, whatever she wants to do, these higher folks know it much better, and so very gently they are helping her in order to reach where she wants to reach. And the second one, what she needs to know is she needs to make a wish. She needs to be very clear as to where she wants to go, and all these beings are waiting, simply waiting that as soon as she puts up a wish, we are there ready to go ahead and help her out. Okay, it's like the unicorn is putting his head down and asking, wish one on my horn, and there it will be done. I see a sun rising, and this rising sun always makes a promise that whatever wish that is will be fulfilled. And now what the client needs to do, it's playtime, okay, and make a decision. Alright, so what again the dolphins are advising her is that the approach to whatever that action she wants to do, she should do it with a sense of humor, she should do it with a lot of joy, and at the same time she needs to make decisions. She cannot dilly dally now. Yes, you have to be playful, your sense of humor has to be in place, but that does not mean that you be stuck in any kind of decision. So once she makes the decision, she's being helped. All the magical beings are ready to fulfill the wish that she makes. It's a magical time in her life, and yes, she needs to approach this entire thing with love and joy, but no indecision for her. And that's what I'm going to clearly communicate. Whatever decision that you want to make, just go ahead and make it. Don't wait for things to happen, otherwise you're going to stop your own manifestation. So I hope it also helps all those people who are watching this one. Many a times lots of our magical opportunities we miss out because we don't make a decision. Lots of our help we don't recognize because we are not playful, because we are too serious with life. We are constantly looking at what did not happen, and there we forget the joy that just being gentle, just being joyful can bring to all of us. So let us also promise ourselves that to play a little, to develop a little bit sense of fun and joy, and lots of miracles and manifestations are in store. Like if you look at the spread, we have wish, which has the word manifestation. We have playtime, which again has the word joy creates miracles and manifestation. And the text says, listen to your intuition and make a decision. So that's it from now. If you want more readings, healinity.com is the place, which again makes healing lot of fun. Basically, our slogan says, heal the healthy. So we say that healing with angels, with dolphins, all the magical creatures is lot of fun, and it does not have to be very serious. So with that, enjoy your life, play lot more, listen to your intuition, make a wish. December is a magical month. Just go ahead and enjoy all the help that you are receiving. Bye for now.